to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the next mode. It's going to be Lydian this time. All right, so you're going to start on the 8th fret, 10th fret, 12th fret. And then you're going to be going on the A string to the 9th fret this time. 10, 12. Same thing on the D string. And this time you're going to swap your middle finger for your ring finger on the G string. So it's going to go 9, 11, 12. Take that exact same shape and scoot it down a fret for the B. And then the extra credit. This is in the key of C this time. We're going to be doing C Lydian. All right, so let me just tune this down so you can hear it. Now you can hear what it sounds like because I have this root note going. It almost sounds like a staircase that just never ends, and you just want to keep going up. Very, very cool mode. I love it. I love it. Very, very cool. Good luck. And of course, as always, practice, practice, practice with the alternate picking back and forth, up and down. And yes, as usual, this is just an extension of the other two modes that you've already learned. We got E Aeolian. We've got D mixed Lydian. And then we have now C Lydian, which is all the same scale. It's just you're doing it in different support system modes, yes. Anyways, good luck, sir.